That's like worst Alrighty. So what's your plan here?
Plan is we're putting a Ford dual cab. That's what's going to go on.
Ford dual cab.
Ford dual cab's going to have a tilt front. 81 model. Not sure yet with the engine. Engine of choice is a 6V53.
Yeah.
Can't find one. There's not many around here. Can't find one. We'll get a Cummins, maybe an 8.3, or maybe even a Caterpillar 3208. Something cool.
That'd be a bloody monster.
And we can get it registered, which is the best part of it all. The part that makes it worth doing. This here is my next project I'm starting. It's the chassis is actually F700 81 model. The cab, well, I was bored, had more time than money, and installed that on there to gain some space. But yeah, so basically to get this registered to be drivable on the road, it's got to go through an engineer's report, etc. And also the engineer, they want it back to original because there's not many. This could be the only one in Australia. I don't know. I'll try to find more in four-wheel drive. There is a few, but probably about half a dozen, I guess, of these trucks in Australia, but I haven't seen one in four-wheel drive yet. Anyway, the engineers want it back to original. Yeah, at the moment, top of the roof there, that's 2.5 meters tall. So what's that? I don't know. Hang on, about 8.5 foot, something like that. Pretty impressive. So yeah, here in Australia, your headlights can't be that tall, obviously, but I have got the proper Ford front end for it. And but even they're too tall. The headlights off the ground, I think it's got to be like 1 meter or 1.2 meters off the ground. So this here is a bumper I had off the last truck, which is that fire engine thing I bought. So that comes with headlights. I've got it just parked at the back over there. I got the front end for it. It's just at a mate's factory. I'll go pick that up soon. I'm looking at buying this F250 dual cab. So it'll be a 4-door to put on this chassis. Heaps of room there. I mean, you could actually have a 4-meter tray, but yeah, not interested in that. I don't even know what I'm going to use it for, but it looks cool. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. Cheers.